Good morning, everyone. My hair's a little crazy today. It's getting very long, which I love. It's a little whack, but you know, my hair's always been whack and I always hate it, so when it's long like this, I'm happy. I like it like this. Right now, I'm on my way to see a bunch of my dad's side of the family, like my aunt and uncle, a couple of my aunts and uncles, and my cousin. And I was supposed to go with my dad out to dinner, or out to lunch with them, because it's like noon. But my dad's sick today. So I'm just going by myself to meet up with all of them and go out to, I think, get Chinese food with them. So I'm doing that now. Then I'm picking up Haley later because she's flying into Boston. She was out in Cali, and Max has work, so he couldn't pick her up. So I'm being the good best friend that I am. Thank you, Max. And I'm picking her up at the airport. So we'll probably film like a separate video in the car. I'll think of something that we can talk about, but that'll be fun. But right now I'm going out to get Chinese food. I'm gonna mow down. I'm very hungry, and yeah, it's gonna be a great day. So, how are we?
Wow, it's amazing you don't have any snow down here.
No, huh?
No, by the way.
You got
I
it
know.
You got it up there, though,
Well,
huh?
you know, for us it's ice.
Yeah.
Everything is
Girl.
just so cute.
Come on, you gotta give it up. No, 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 no.
Uh-oh.
Come on. Come on, let's go.
Now you got it cornered.
Come on.
Okay, you got an audience. You gotta show it off,
Oh,
right?
so that ball is specific for that shooter?
Not really. It actually came with
no,
a
no.
heavier ball, and it didn't
Oh.
shoot as far. What are you doing? It's not that hard to pull.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Get set.
Why don't you shoot it from this side past the trees? There you go. Go get it.
Oh no!
You'll find it.
You'll see it. Go, 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 go.
Look at her go.
Give her a good run.
Oh man.
Look at her go.
Oh, she got it. No, you're good. I think she still doesn't see it.
You went by it,
You'll
Molly.
get it.
Come on, you'll get it.
Oh man. It's too bright, she can't see.
Molly, you need your sunglasses. Where are they? Wow, she's getting a good run.
You gotta get it now.
Oh.
There we go.
Yay, Molly!
She's like, I did it. Yeah.
And now the first of the year. The Uber driver. Extra respect.
Really?
It's
Yum.
like so much better than
Yum. Yum.
So good, so good.
Yeah, you know we out here. We out here living life in the Zakin Bridge.
I like to put my company in all bread and stuff for college.
What the f is up? Motherfucking bitches. Hi.
No, you will.
Yeah, what's good?
Hi, honey. Hello, how are you? How was your Christmas? Good. How was your Christmas? Yeah,
Go pee. I have to go pee.
Lemonade of lemons is all we got. 'Cause I'm stuck on you, you're stuck on me.
Alright, sorry I didn't film much, but me and Mariah picked up Haley from the airport last night, and we hung out with Duncan and Tyler and Max at Mariah's house. So it was just a good night. We were just kind of hanging out, all catching up. And yeah, today's the next day. Today's New Year's Eve, so I'm gonna post a New Year's resolutions sort of video. But right now I'm gonna go try to get my phone fixed, so I'm in a rush. I'll talk to you guys later, and share the love, and good night.